So what is a Tarso Pro good for? Tarso Pro is good if you have a stiff ankle. So how do you have a stiff ankle? So ankle stiffness can occur after an injury, perhaps just rolling your ankle. You can also get a stiff ankle if you've had ankle surgery, but also too, if you've been immobilized in a boot for some period of time, your ankle joint will tend to stiffen up. One of the key things that us as physios have to do is to improve ankle range of motion so that people can squat effectively, run, change direction. Ankle stiffness can cause a variety of other problems further up the chain if ankle range is not achieved and it got back to normal as soon as possible. Tarso Pro is an ankle mobility product that we formulated to help the patient either in the clinic or at their home gain ankle range. It's definitely a vigorous technique, so you don't want to do it in acute periods, and in fact it's contraindicated, in my opinion, for approximately 1 month after significant injuries or after surgery. So once the ankle has settled down a little bit and you found that there's ankle stiffness, then this product will be good for you to help to get that ankle range back to what the other side is as your comparison, even as a start point. Your job as a clinician and as a client yourself is to achieve symmetry between your sides and restore all your ankle range of motion before you return safely to sport.